So y'all, this is what I came out to. I don't know how long it's been down here. I can't believe what I just saw. A Walmart with no cashiers other than people standing there watching you check out. I'm scared. Look how they swaying. So the Walmart that I'm in, they are remodeling. And with them remodeling, I can't believe what I just saw. I don't think they're going to have any cashiers in this Walmart. A Walmart with no cashiers other than people standing there watching you check out. I'm going to show you in just a minute. So I'm coming up on the registers now. All I saw on the way down was self-checkout. All of that over there is self-checkout. They're installing more self-checkout. So they do, these set of registers right here will have cashiers. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 7 of them maybe. Only 3, 4 are open. And the rest are more self-checkout down here on this end as well. And it's definitely, they have definitely changed this Walmart up. I told y'all they're catering to people who make over $100,000. So I came in here to grab me some seeds and stuff, but we'll just take a little walk through. Got a lot of gaps up in this area here. Gaps up in this area here. Get over to the beef to record, but I could see that the prices are pretty much the same. In the $1.25 store, they have 4 for $1.25. Seeds, flowers. Ooh, thyme. I've been looking for this, and I can't find it anywhere. So y'all, this is what I came out to. I don't know how long it's been down here on the ground because I have been out today. Not quite sure where I'm gonna put it because I had it where it wouldn't blow because it's very breezy out here, but it's down for the count. I'm so glad my seedlings were not in there. I took them out last night, so it was up last night. So this happened today, and today is Saturday. So I'm gonna get it stood back up and figure out where I am going to put it and where I kept the rabbits at. I'm not sure because that might block it a little better. I don't know. I may have to put it up against the fence where the garden is, but bungee cord it is what I'm thinking. About to blow all over again, and I need to fix this and pull it back down. I'm glad my plants were not in here. Or keep it stable, but those stalks aren't heavy enough. Oh, now I'm hating I zipped it up. I zipped it down, whatever I did. Yeah. Oh, this even popped off. I need a belt. I can't keep my pants up. I must be losing some weight. I'm still big, but I think I'm losing some. I know I'm losing some weight. Two heavy ones in the back, and then we'll do a long one in the front. All right, y'all. Close this up. hope that it does not fall. And hope it don't fall.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day.
4 eggs.
Summer is always surprising me in just a bit. It's mid-July, then it's gone, and I haven't moved on. Summer is always confusing me, honestly. I thought I'd feel warm, but I'm cold. It's getting old. I've said so many times, when summer comes around, I'll be ready for the ride. I'll be ready this time.
The 3 beds that I'm working on, y'all, we did hugelkultur with that, where we put wood at the bottom so we didn't have to use so much soil and compost in it. And it's starting to compost down pretty good right now. It's been since 2021, so there are still some big pieces in here, but this is a way that you can save on your salt as well. Like they used to, and just get, you know, some laughs or some tips or give tips, because I don't know everything about gardening for sure. I ain't trying to say I do. I am not no expertise. I'm just a mom, a wife of a trucker, who has a different outlook on certain things because I have access to some information that I don't share all the time. So if you see me looking like I'm in a hurry to do something, it's because I probably know something, but I can't tell y'all other than prepare now. This is the last bed I'm doing anyway. I may go back over those other ones if I have time, just to get any extra out. But this one was worse than the other two, so yeah.
My head above the water, finally I can breathe again. Lost in the waves I wander, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain, sipping your sunshine, come take me away. In the water, finally I can breathe again.
I'm scared. Look how they swaying. I'll leave it like that. That way y'all can tell me if y'all see the tree falling while my back turn. Just yell. I hear you. Why my grandbaby is, how old? He's 6 months this month, because this is March 1st. I forgot to say what day it is. Hey, my daughter sent me a video because I told her I missed them, and I feel bad that I can't come and see them because that's just, I'm scared to drive that far, but yet I got to drive that far Wednesday, no, one day this week, and because I got a doctor's appointment. Yes, I still go to the doctor down there for the person who said one time, you still go to the doctor where you used to live? Listen, it took me a long time to find this doctor. He is amazing. I will drive 2 hours for that. I don't care. And plus, I get to see my grandkids too. I'm having trouble with the seeing part, but I got to drive myself because my husband can't make it back here in time to drive me there. But anyway, back to him. Y'all, the boy is saying, Ma. I'm going to put a clip of it in here. And trying to crawl. She told me, I think he's in the military, Mom. Especially in the shot. Like, yeah, I'm sure you are. I said, don't say that too loud. They'll come and draft them at the age of 6 months. Another day. It's getting dark.
A dream, come take me away, my head above the water, finally I can breathe again.
My phone falling over is a sign because at the time I kept looking back because the wind was blowing so much, and the way that tree is swaying, I'm like, let me get out this garden before I end up being a statistic in the garden and unalived. So thank y'all for watching. Again, hit a red heart in the comments. Earlier I said a purple heart. Now hit a red heart if you made it to the very, very, very end. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate each of you for supporting Tommybites Homestead, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you are new to the channel, welcome in. If you are returning, welcome back. See y'all later. So I have officially completed my three of my biggest beds that I was planning. Oh my God, I'm about to break my stand that I just bought. They are done, y'all. They are done. You can actually see the soil. I'm pretty sure it's roots up at the bottom, and they're gonna stay there, okay? Just finished my day. That ends my vlog for March 1st. And y'all, I made my steps. 5,768. Yay! See y'all later.
Summer days, they go shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. I need to cherish every moment left with you.